Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore different techniques for managing your Google Drawings from the File menu. If we hover over to the File menu and we click on it, about halfway down we have four options. We can either rename our Google Drawing, in case we've named it already but we don't like the name or we're going to change it to something else. We can rename that. When we click on Rename, the title in the upper left-hand corner will be highlighted, and then we can just directly change the name of the Google Drawing to whatever it is we want to change it to. As soon as we click out of that, it will save that file name. I didn't make any changes. There's no need to here. I can move the file. Let's say it's either in my root drive of Google Drive, my root folder, or it's in some other folder in Google Drive. What I can do is, if I want it to be somewhere else, somewhere more specific, if I click on Move, I get a little pop-up that shows where the file is currently. Right now, it is in my Google Drawings folder on my Low-Key PD folder in Google Drive. But I can back out of this and I can start choosing different folders, and I can go all the way back to the main Google Drive and basically choose wherever I want to send it to. Or if I want, I can create a new folder and save it to that folder instead. Once I find the place I want to send it to, I can just click on the Move Here button and it will move that file to that location. I can add a shortcut to Drive, and basically what this will do is it will keep the file itself, the Google Drawing, wherever it currently is, but it will create a shortcut in your main Google Drive folder, and if you see it, you can click on it and it will automatically take you to that folder, or to this Google Drawing. It is not the Google Drawing itself that is in Google Drive. It will take you to the Google Drawing where it is in your folder structure in Google Drive. So basically what it is it's a shortcut. You see it, you click on it, it's not the file itself, but Google Drive knows when you click on it you want to go to that file. Or if you're done with it or you don't like it, you can just move it to the trash, and after a certain period of time, Google will automatically delete that file for you. So there's a handful of ways that you can manage your Google Drawings directly from within the Google Drawing itself.